Cheers, mate. Yeah, too early. I was expecting. I thought I'll get out on the road. Take care. I'll get out on the road, catch you coming up. Right.
We'll take them in now? Or?
Yeah, I can do. I'll just.
I'll get my picket out.
Well, I thought it's, you know, I'm relying on it being sunny.
It is today. There's a storm coming, though, isn't there?
Is there?
Yeah.
It's beautiful, isn't it? They're really,
I know,
really friendly.
because there's 2 schools. I've worked in them.
All right. They're meant to be. The food's meant to be really good.
Yeah. It's quite a posh village, actually.
Yeah, which obviously is. But I mean, we had a problem with the shower, and that chap's just been sorting it out. I didn't get his name. He likes country and western, but the landlord and him have gone out of their way. Yeah, we're
Makes money for them.
We're upstairs in the
Hello, Anne.
Hello. I was coming down to see the car.
Oh,
In the slippers. How are you?
Yep.
So this car then, David. For my 100.
California.
Oh, California. All right.
1991.
California.
TR6. Lotus. Yeah, lead mines.
Yeah, I was going to say the mining. Can we do Christmas?
Well, it's busy today. Probably because of steam.
And what village is this?
Alston, small town. The gateway to Cumbria.
Ah,
If you're in County
Alston,
Durham.
yeah. And how far is how far is Chiltern?
Chiltern, which is a few half an hour. Might be less than that. It's well within County Durham.
All right.
To the south of it. So if you Google the National Railway,
Right.
nice little train.
Isn't it beautiful? I love the smell. You can't beat a little tank engine, can you?
The old, like the American one.
Oh, it has, isn't it? Yeah.
I found that in the 948 model.
Yeah, there's the remains of an old bygone world in here, really.
Oh, yeah. I'm in that world.
Well, keep it.
My midget's new though because it's 64, but I've had it since I was 21, and.
But it would still rush
Love it.
out to a Spitfire if there was a scramble, would it? No, it's not off the floor, but it really is. There was a
Very good, isn't it? My car. Ah, except it's got the wrong engine. I would love a P6 TC.
Just come around the going, it's 14. Didn't know what V8 meant. Put my foot down. I don't fortunately show you where the brake
I presume you had actually travelled in the vehicle before. Yeah, but you kind of know the power of it, you know.
I did, yes.
Yeah.
He put his foot down and whoosh. It was really nice though, car was comfortable.
It was, yeah, I totally agree.
In
I
fact,
totally agree.
basically like a modern car.
Yeah, that would be a good. I mean, so I have heard people say they're actually still a good everyday.
Well, it's the low value, though.
I used to love seeing the old they're motorbike inside cars. Very 1960s.
That's what Ian used on his field.
Yes, no,
Side van.
I was looking at the.
1950.
What? BSAC 10.
I'm trying to make out this one. I thought it was a James at first, but it's.
What's this? No.
What is it?
It's a Sears. Now then,
No.
there's a
Never
story
heard of
with
it.
that.
Never
Go
ever
on.
heard of
You
it.
never heard of them? Well, Sears was a department store in
Well, I've
Chicago.
heard of them in the States, yeah.
Well,
Oh,
what
right.
they used to do was they used to. This is actually a Gilera,
Ah,
Italian bike.
right,
and Sears used to buy a batch, say a couple of hundred of them,
right.
take them back to America, take the badges off, put their badges on, and sell them as a Sears.
Wonderful. Real badge engineering.
Exactly.
Yeah.
They started off with the catalogues.
Aye. Aye.
In fact, how they got their money to start with was a bit of a con.
It is a bit now.
They had the old catalogues, people living down the Wild West with furniture in,
Aye.
and they'd order it. They sent the furniture, but it wasn't that big. But they made enough money to get the company going. Cooks.
Bloody hell, yeah. And all the tricks of those, doesn't it?
That was sort of the 80s.
Bloody hell out the window.
Yeah. You got the proper control as well. God. Brilliant.
Yeah, it was quite aerodynamic.
Well, they didn't make quite a heavy bike, so they were
How
a bit
much the speedo goes in the opposite
underpowered.
direction to what they normally
Yeah, that one, they wouldn't have used those for cafe racing, would they?
Wonderful handles,
Granddad's, that would have been.
engine actually, isn't it? Beside the
big bike for 350, so they were
Yeah.
flat out at 70 mile an hour.
You wouldn't guess. We're actually looking at that. That looks a bigger engine block than a 350, doesn't it?
monstrous.
Yeah.
Must be smooth though.
Oh, smooth, dead smooth, man. Wrong thing with this restoration.
Right.
The seat should have been green. Same as that.
Oh, that was
Right.
good.
Where did they make Douglas? Was it? It wasn't on the Isle of Man, was it?
Hey?
Well, they didn't make Douglas on the Isle of Man, did they?
No, they were made in Bristol.
Bristol, were they? All right.
No, they only made about 1,700 one.
That's not what I'm saying. Is that a wedding?
Yeah. Can't start this one up again then.
Which one? The middle?
This one.
Most of them streetwise, some are darker, and some are just plain aggressive.
Well, a bit like people.
Stand in the road and stare you down.
Well, that was my.
That's the Castle Barnard Road.
Oh right, so we're near the 66.
It's further across. Next, another 2 valleys across, but relatively near. Yeah, that's where Dominic Cummings went to test his eyesight.
Yeah, as you would, yeah.
Sheer drop on the road.
Scarfell Pike is. You've got the size of the Lake District over there. I assume that's the Langdales over there. So, Dave, as a guru, right? Am I right in thinking we got the Langdales over there, and the peak in the far distance is Scarfell?
I think you might. What do you think? And me, the topography.
Right. I'm making it up as I go along, but I'm going to say they're the Langdales over there, Jake's Rake and all that business, and the old Dungeon Gill, and that little peak staying up in the middle is Scarfell Pike.
There we go. Right on the end there.
And Great Gable.
Always.
It took me hat off.
That goes into a very steep dip.
I imagine, yeah.
Winding road.
It's a bit like, reminds me a bit of the Sidewinder on Route 66 when you're heading up to Oatman. The Oatman Pass. It's rather sad. 51. Thank you very much for watching. Much appreciated. It'd be lovely if you could subscribe and give a thumbs up. Many thanks. Johnny Warner.